shining bright like a sunshine, dreaming high like the stars, dancing through without fire.
Hey, you right? Just reading this. I wasn't reading that. That was just for fun. I already read it. Good magazine. Good magazine. But before we get into today's video, which yes is that box, just want to address something from the last video. I am back on my 5-inch Falconers. Drove around for a little bit, rubbing to hell, had a little look, went for another little drive, and absolute rub city. So put the visors back on. Need to sort out this wheel arch. Definitely need to do the other side. That's even worse. Those wheels are far too wide, and the front's even worse. If I go down any lower, I'm definitely pulling most of this arch. So that is a no-no, which is unfortunate because it looks awesome, but these wheels are just too damn big for what I need anyway. They're a lovely set of wheels, so I'm actually going to sell them. So this is from ScarFace LowRiders. Come with a very nice keyring. I've just put that on. Very nice. I have already spoken to Shane about doing this video. I said I was already going to buy these. Does he mind if I do a video? He said crack on. I just thought it'd be good to do an actual video. So that is that. So these are from ScarFace LowRider. Shane Phillips. Top bloke. Really nice bloke to speak to. He's one of the first people I spoke to when I got my van. I wasn't entirely sure how to lower these things, and I spoke to him. Very nice chap, and told me everything I need to know. If you're not already part of the Facebook page, jump over there. It's not just for people that have lowered their vans. You just go for general inquiries. So it does actually come with instructions, so we'll get into that. But the box didn't come like this. I have already opened it up, but it does come with 2 bolts. For some reason, one of them's got 4 washers on, and the other's only got 2. These 2 obviously go either side of the chassis, and these 2 obviously go either side of the chassis, but for some reason there's an extra 2. I don't know, maybe he felt really nice and thought, I want to give Carl some more washers. I don't know. And the pied de resistance, the Shane's plates. They sound awesome. These are, well, Shane's plates. Everybody knows them as Shane's plates, but they're dampening plates. Your shot goes, well, where my finger is, and it replaces the, I don't know which way around they go, by the way. I don't know if that bit faces forward or back. We'll figure that out. Where the shock connects to the top damper, this replaces that. It's more for sort of like lowered vehicles and helps with drivability. I've heard a lot of good things about these, so I'm going to put them on and try them for myself. This is what you get, and that awesome keyring, and some instructions, or a love letter. Nope, it's instructions. So it says ScarFace LowRiders, remove original dampener and mount. Mount? Well, these aren't the original ones. Fit new mount without dampener. Fit new mount without dampener fitting to the chassis using original front fixing point, which I'm guessing is that one. So that'd be a driver's side. Drill a 12mm hole through the chassis leg, taking care not to drill through pipes, wires on your way through. Which is for that. It's got the extra security-ness thing. So, a 12mm bolt. Remove the mount and clean off swarf from drilling. Okay. Fit original bump stop rubber. See? I think that's what that hole's for. See? I think I know a thing. Fucking idiot. Fit original bump stop rubber with main section cut down to 15mm. Done. Fit dampener to the mount. If using G-Max, oh yeah I am. Replace the large washer below the rubber bush under the new mount using the correct washer supplied. Ah, I get it. Ah, clever boy Shane. Well done, thank you. So Shane didn't just send me 2 washers because he's lovely. These go on top of your shocks as the new washers, which go there. And one for there. Blah, 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 blah. If using such, no, don't use those shocks either. So need to, whatever. That's not irrelevant because I don't have those shocks. Fit mount to chassis using the original front bolt and the 12mm bolt supplied. Jesus Christ, my reading. Using a large washer also supplied each end. See? So you put them either side of the chassis. See? Clever man. Do fit at your own risk. They will scar. They say, but that's them, not me. Will not be liable for any damages to ball joints, dampeners, bushings, drive shafts. Those instructions are very clear, and hopefully this video is just as clear without me being an idiot over the top of it. And also another way of helping people fit them if they need such help. So we're going to get the wheels off, get this thing in the air, and start getting these bad boys mounted. I did buy myself a brand new 12mm drill bit, so I've got a nice freshie to get through that chassis nice and quickie. So let's get this thing up in the air and start attacking this job. Well, wheels off on an axle stand, nice and safe. So now what we need to remove is this here. That is the original damper. Now you've got a bolt up here and a bolt up at the back there, just up there. And then that, oh, and you also got this 19mm bolt that goes all the way through the other side of your drop link. You need to take all that lot out. Just get a jack underneath, just underneath the ball joint, just to take the weight, because when you take this bolt off here, it's gonna just drop. Done. And there is the dampener out. This is the passenger side one, as I thought. And it goes pretty much there-ish. So there's the original hole. Hopefully you can see it just at the end of my finger there. And then that is now how it looks. That is so much more slimline. So I now need to drill a 12mm hole right through there, all the way through to the other side. Now just make sure when you're doing it that there's nothing up underneath the other side that you're likely to drill through. I do not have anything under the other side, and then just whop a 12mm hole through there, just like that. That's done. Perks of having a good nice new drill bit, does the job quickly, even if I did have to change the battery halfway through. But that is the whole way through. There you go. That's not the bolt, but that fits through lovely, which is just my thing. I got the bolt in the van. Now take this off, like he said, remove all the crap, as there is much of it. So take this lot apart, take a bump stop, put that in, put it all onto a new one, diddly done. Top bolt, well at least mine is 19mm, all nice and solid. Bump stops removed. That's where I cut my original ones. So yeah, they done me well. Keep them as spares, I guess. Bump stop goes into the new bump stop home. That there is complete. Very, very easy. All we need to do, put that where it needs to go, which is about there. Bolt it all in. Done. And then this is just a 19mm head. Put it through the hole you just made. Washer. Bolt. And then all you got to do, put all these bolts back in. Well, there's only one left now. That goes through the bottom of the shock. So we've obviously gone from something with a bit of size to it to a very low profile dampener mount. I'm going to be honest, even including filming, doing just that one side probably took me about half an hour. So it's just started raining. I'm going to get on with the other side, do that off camera. So it's exactly the same as this, just on the driver's side. I'll get back to you once I've done the other side. Oh, just like that, we are done. Kind of wanted to do a bit of a time lapse of the other side, but decided to absolutely throw it down. So yeah, and now it's stopped. Brilliant. But literally took me half hour tops. The only recommendation I would give any of you guys, make sure you got a brand new drill bit, because else you're gonna have a bit of a pig of a job. Just want to say a massive thank you to Shane from ScarFace LowRiders for providing them for me. I haven't actually been out for a drive with them yet to see how they perform, but from everything I've heard that they are brilliant. So that's it. I'm gonna go get myself dry. Hopefully that has been informational and helpful for you guys. If it has, please give me a nice big thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're not already. But yeah, that's not too bad. Just need to clock the torsion bars now. But yeah, like I said, thank you very much to Shane from ScarFace LowRiders. If you're not already part of the Facebook group, go over. There'll be a link in the description down below. Go over and join the group. Lovely bunch of people over there, very helpful, and you're gonna get addicted like I am. But that's it. I'm getting dry. I'm having a cup of tea. Thank you very much. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go hit that subscribe button. Take it easy. Those destructions, those fucking hell.